The ThermoMate 30-inch induction cooktop offers 5 high-power zones with short-term boost modes that bring pots to a boil noticeably faster than a typical radiant electric surface. Heat control is impressively precise across 9 clearly defined levels, so it handles everything from gentle simmering to high-heat stir-frying without constant fiddling. Each cooking zone can be timed independently for up to nearly 1 2/3 hours, which makes it easy to manage multi-dish meals without worrying about overcooking. Safety is thoughtfully addressed with a child lock, automatic shutoff, residual heat indication, and overheat protection, so the surface feels much more reassuring in a busy kitchen. The slim black glass surface looks modern, takes up little space beneath the counter, and its smooth finish wipes clean quickly after spills or splatters. Installation is straightforward for a standard 30-inch cutout, and as long as you have suitable magnetic cookware and the required 240-volt connection, it integrates smoothly into most kitchens.